Case Study Project Overview. This case study describes an inspection and audit program within the consumer electronics industry. The Kent Group Associates as the case study supplier audit service provides nationwide supply chain auditing and inspections to industries like consumer electronics. Quality control and assurance inspections can also include supplier data cleansing services with the least amount of disruption to a client's operations. The client organization the supplier audit service provider has worked with for this project is one of the top electronic companies in the world. The client corporation outsourced all its service centers in the USA and needed consumer electronics repair and mobile compliance assessments done in cost and time-effective ways. The client organization wanted the Kent Group Associates to assess as supplier audit service provider their nationwide service centers who service their consumer products around the United States. The other supplier audit project for this electronics giant was for their mobile electronics brand. The client wanted to make sure that the service center stores that were fixing their warranty phones communicate status updates in the right way, and also comply on how they were fixing their phones under warranty that they had for the brand in those stores were correctly positioned. The client also wanted the supplier audit service provider to inspect and audit on the service centers on how compliant they are in their operations in terms of processing parts delivery, overall keeping track of parts and how they were presenting the entire brand, making sure that the supplies were using the company's operating system correctly and also that they keep all at their service center clean and organized. The client organization had other two main significant challenges for this project. Very strong data cleansing was required before the nationwide inspection campaign could be executed. They wanted to know status update on how many appliances their service centers were fixing while also making sure that the service centers were compliant to the way they wanted them to deal with parts repairs and returns and overall how they kept the service centers clean. The other challenge the client organization had was that they did not have a nationwide network of inspectors and also the operational staff bandwidth to provide and process inspections in a range of 5,000 inspections within a short period of a half-year time frame to inspect all their nationwide service centers inclusive outcome analysis and reporting. The fact that these service centers changed their contact information very quickly created problems at the entire client organizational structure at corporation level. The supplier audit service provider, at its headquarters in Fairfield, New Jersey immediately assigned an in-house client project team to plan out 100% audits at these service center locations. Secondly, to overcome the inspector shortage, the Kent Group Associates as supplier audit service provider organized a nationwide inspector staff to audit the service centers. What the client really liked was that the Kent Group Associates as supplier audit service provider was able to quickly provide a complete nationwide network of inspectors and audit the nationwide located service centers all over the USA, making sure to observe how many appliances the suppliers were servicing and that these mobile stores were fixing the electronics company's phones correctly. As part of the data cleansing process improvement, the supplier audit service provider has created a great data tracking application for the client organization which started to initiate improved supplier process flows for the long haul, enabling the client organization to keep control on how they were collecting their supplier data over time, while providing a roadmap for controlled operations on how they can support their service centers to continuously improve their operational processes. This capability enhancement has been received as great sustainable value by the client organization. For a supplier audit or data cleansing quote, call now 973-402-5888. For more information and other case studies, please contact the Kent Group Associates (KGA). We are a New Jersey-based auditing service firm providing fast and reliable supply chain audits with the least amount of disruption to your business. We have one goal: to help you as our client achieve excellent performance for your supply chains, inclusive IT data cleansing with the latest state-of-the-art audit analysis tools to help you reduce the amount of disruption to your business. Contact our office now.